So how do I become a day trader? Uh,
Wow.
yeah, that's I mean, that one can dream for sure. But I would say before you even think about becoming a day trader, first understand one rule. Most day traders lose money. I mean, I would say more than half. I think it's about 65% of day traders lose money. Let me see if I can find the official stat. But I mean, yeah, most day traders lose money. So it's kind of like gambling. Most gamblers lose money. Very, I would say it's like any skill in any industry. I mean, not everybody who plays basketball ends up turning into a professional NBA player, or right, or whatever skill you have. Right, anybody who plays guitar, not everybody turns into a rock star. Right. So in terms of day trading, not everybody is able to become a professional day trader. I say professional because meaning that that's how you make your money. That's how you, you wake up, you trade, let's say 9 to 5, right? So not everybody can do that. Bill, your thoughts?
Yes, I would have many. So if you want to become a day trader, the first thing you need to buy is a notebook, right? And start to actually trade, writing down what you do. Yes, I know that's old school. Yes, I'm the guy with a pencil. I know. But you need to actually experience what it's like to write down winners and losers as you pretend to play the market. Okay. The second rule of a day trader, once you go live, is don't risk any more than 2% of your capital on any one trade. This way, if the trade's wrong, you live to fight another day. Okay. Now, third rule of day trading is don't quit your day job. Okay. If you're a day trader and you break even the first year, then you're a success. Then you're on your way. So you have 1 year to get to break even. My final thing is you would not, and this comes from a famous chartist, you would not watch the market all the time. You would not sit in front of a screen from 9 to 5. You would not wake up in the middle of the night to check your crypto positions. You would not. Okay. You have to be able to establish how to relax, breathe. Some guys surf, right? You have to manage your nervous system just as much as you have to learn about crypto. Okay. So those are the things I think that's the difference between the professionals and the guys that lose money.
Yeah, well said, well said. Now, I would add in there also get training. I mean, so if you plan to become a day trader, you have to first learn the skills. And whether that's through taking a course with somebody or just learning through trial and error. But I think, as Bill mentioned, whether it's paper trading on a notebook or some platforms like I know Thinkorswim has paper trading where you basically trade with play money as opposed to real money. I did try that back when I was in college, my freshman year. Actually, that takes me back to some memories. I was basically in class, not paying attention. I was just on my computer, paper trading. So, but back then I had dreams of becoming a investor and trader, and now that's kind of come full circle now being in crypto. But yeah, I mean, I would say definitely put in the time, paper trade. Also, just learn. I know Bill has some books he likes. Reminiscence of a Stock Operator, I believe.
Right. And then there's technical analysis of futures markets. It is the cure for insomnia. It's a pretty big book. You're going to have to develop your own way of understanding the market. That's why, you're going to need to get TradingView, or you're going to need to say, buy a newsletter. You're going to have to figure out what works for you. Right. So you're going to have to build your own style, your own system. Okay. So that's a given. The question is, can you manage your emotions so you don't wind up in the bracket with the losers? Right. Because, some guys don't have incredibly sophisticated systems. Like some guys are quants, some guys aren't. So it's whatever's going to work for you. And that's like a discovery process in addition to a research project.
Well said. Well said. Thank you, Bill.